In this video, I will discuss the 15 facts about global water crisis. If you are new on this channel, then subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more informative content. Before I tell you the 15 facts about global water crisis, let me tell you the structure of global water supply on Earth. Out of the total water availability, 97% water is available in the form of oceans, which is a salt water which cannot be used for domestic purpose and commercial use. The other 3% water exists as a fresh water. And out of this 3% fresh water, 68.7% water exists in the form of glaciers, ice and permanent snow. And 30.1% water exists as groundwater. And 0.9% water exists in some other forms. And only 0.3% water exists as surface water. And this 0.3% surface water is mainly used for domestic purpose and commercial use as well. And out of this 0.3% surface water, 87% of water exists in the form of lakes, and 11% water exists in the form of wetlands, and only 2% water exists as rivers. So this was the structure of global water supply. Now I will tell you the 15 facts about global water crisis. By 2050, the extreme droughts on lands are expected to increase by 5 times as compared to now. Fact number 2. It is believed that more than 2 billion people all over the world depends on wells to meet their water needs. Fact number 3 is about how world energy system is linked with the water availability. First of all, the thermal power plants are either closed or decreased their energy production in many of the countries, also like India and USA. India has closed many of their thermal power plants due to the water shortages, while USA has also decreased its energy production. In the Middle East, almost 93% of the onshore oil reserves of Middle East are exposed to water quantity risks. According to the International Energy Agency, by 2035, the water usage will increase by 15%, while water consumption will increase by 85% due to the increase in energy consumption by 35% all over the world. Fact number 4. By 2050, the agriculture water consumption will increase by 19% due to the increased population demand. Fact number 5. Fact number 5 is about how river basins are also facing decline in their water quantity. USA is also facing water shortages issues. The Colorado River Basin, which is known for supplying water to 7 states to over 40 million people. A study by the University of California estimated that the Colorado River Basin has lost about 65 cubic kilometers of water from 2004 to 2013. The amount is twice the amount stored in Lake Mead. The Lake Mead is one of the largest reservoirs of the United States of America. Fact number 6. More than 700 million people in 43 countries are suffering from water scarcity today. Fact number 7. By 2025, more than 1.8 billion people will be living in countries and regions which will suffer from absolute water scarcity. Fact number 8. According to the United Nations, Food and Agriculture Organization, by 2050, 1 out of 5 developing countries will face water shortages. Fact number 9. Women are also facing problems due to the lack of access to the safe water. They have to spend a part of their day to bring water for their domestic use. So women crisis is also linked with the water unavailability. It is estimated that 200 million women and girls spend 200 million hours every day collecting water. Fact number 10. Unsafe water leads to health crisis. 1 million people die each year from diseases occurred by water, sanitation and hygiene issues. Every 2 minutes, a child dies from a water-related diseases. Diarrhea is the third leading cause of child death, which is a waterborne disease. Fact number 11. 11th fact is about the establishment of World Water Day. In 1993, the United Nations has established the World Water Day, which is observed on 22nd March each year. The purpose to establish the World Water Day was to spread the awareness to the importance and management of the freshwater sources. The theme of the World Water Day 2020 was Water and Climate Change. And the slogan of the World Water Day 2020 first slogan was Water is life, don't waste it. And the second slogan was Save water and it will save you. Fact number 12. The 12th fact is about how Sustainable Development Goals has given importance to the water crisis. The United Nations Sustainable Development Goal number 6 aims to bring an end to the water crisis by 2030 and by providing safe water and sanitation services for all human beings. Fact number 13. 2.3 billion people, or 1 out of 3%, lack access to toilet. This is also one of the major issues faced by some countries. Fact number 14. The fact number 14 will tell you how the investment in water management projects can change our lives. A $1 investment in water and sanitation can produce $5 to $28 in output in economic activities, and it will also reduce the cost of human health care. Fact number 15. In fact number 15, we will discuss how privatization of water resources affects the local residents. The local residents suffer due to the lack of access to the water resources. Once the water resource is owned by any private company or corporation, the local residents do not have any say in that natural water source. The private company or corporation become responsible and answerable to only their stakeholders. And privately owned water resources and their services in return become 59% expensive than publicly owned sources. So these were the 15 global water crisis facts. I hope you have learned something new in this video. If you have learned anything from this video, then subscribe this channel and support us for making more informative videos for you. Thank you so much for watching.